How to change chat theme on Telegram. Do you guys want to change the chat theme on your Telegram? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see setting icon. Click on it. Now you scroll down and simply type on appearance. Now click on chat themes. Once you click on it, select it according to your preference. After you select the theme, now click on apply for all chats. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change chat theme on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.